This is the K Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look for the K Garage everywhere. So today we will talk about this converter. The car is not pulling. You diagnose it and see the car is not pulling. You change the sensor, the car is not pulling. So what you do is I take off this converter and then start the car and see if the car will open, it will pull or not. So it's what I did. And so check out how it works, how the results that we get after we remove this converter, this manifold from the head, and see. So now the car